All right, so for this one, it says car A is moving to the right with a speed of 7.8 meters per second. So the first thing to do is we got to draw a picture. So I as a joke, I kind of put some cars in here. So this is car A. Um, and so that has a velocity that's a positive 7.8 meters per second. Car B, we'll draw that in a different color, I guess. We'll do green, I guess. Car B um, is 4.6, but that is in the negative x direction. So we'll say negative 4.6 meters per second. All right. Both cars have a mass. So this has a mass of 1,000 kilograms. And then this one over here has a mass of 1,000 kilograms. And it says, what is the total momentum of the system consisting of cars A and B? So the total momentum of the system then is just going to be the sum of the momentums, right? So it's just going to be the sum so I'm just going to call this the momentum of B plus the momentum of A. Okay? And let me make this a capital B, otherwise somebody will get confused. They'll be like, what? B? And I don't like the way I spelled the word car. It just looks nasty. So we'll call this car B. And so, well, what is the momentum? Well, the formula for momentum is just the mass, or wait, sorry, I already screwed it up. It's the mass of the object times the velocity. So we would say the mass of car B times the velocity of car B plus the mass of car A times the velocity of car A. And that's the total momentum P. So then, well, what's that? So the mass is 1,000 kilograms for both of them. Times the velocity. So this one is a negative 4.6. And then this one is a positive 7.8. So then this gives me a negative 4,600 kilogram meters per second. And this is a positive 78. Oops. Got a little carried away there. 7,800 kilogram meters per second. Okay. So then I'm going to open up Desmos. And I'm just going to say 7,800 minus 4,600, which is 3,200. Okay. So now what does that mean? Well, that just means that my total momentum of the system is equal to a positive 3,200 kilogram meters per second. So, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see all the math on this. That means if these two were connected with some sort of chain, and the cars wouldn't break and the chain wouldn't break, the overall momentum would be in this direction right? And that momentum, capital P, would be 32 kilogram meters per second. So that Porsche would pull that SUV because the velocity is going so much faster. Yes. On a frictionless surface. Yeah. 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 But yes, that I understand what you're saying. So you're saying that once that momentum was going, would it continue with that momentum? And the answer is yes. Yes.
So 2 never gets a 9.
What's that?
So 2 is 9.
Oh, I don't know. Let me finish this one first. So this was B. All right. So I'm going to end the video and then I'll look at 2. Okay.